Hey guys! Today we're gonna open Peppa's little grocery store. So let's open the little grocery store. The set came with a little shopping cart and one Peppa Pig. She's holding a little shopping list. And here it is, the little grocery store. It's like a little carry case. Let's see, how do we open this? And it opens up. Now that's pretty cool. You can also open the front doors. Pretty cool. Now let's go shopping. Let's see. I need eggs, milk, and of course, toy surprises. Here Peppa can take the stairs to grab some milk. And when she's ready to pay, she can pay right here. Here's the little cash register and the moving conveyor belt. Now this is pretty cool. Fruits and vegetables, some cookies, bread and jelly, and more fruits and vegetables. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more new toys and surprises.